Your love is amazing, steady and unchanging. Your love is a mountain firm beneath my feet. Your love is a mystery, how you gently lift me when I am surrounded. Your love carries me. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Your love makes me sing and hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Your love makes me sing. Your love is surprising, I can feel it rising. All the joy that's growing deep inside of me. And every time I see you, all your goodness shines through, and I can feel this God song rising up in me. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Looking forward to work today?
Yeah.
You excited for working today?
Oh yeah.
Alright, everybody excited and pumped for working?
Woo!
Hallelujah. Your love makes me sing. Your love is amazing, steady and unchanging. Your love is a mountain firm beneath my feet. Your love is a mystery, how you gently lift me when I am surrounded. Your love carries me. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Your love makes me sing and hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Your love makes me sing. Yes, you make me sing. Lord, you make me sing, sing, sing. How you make me sing. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Your love makes me sing and hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Your love makes me sing and hallelujah, hey, hallelujah, hallelujah. Your love makes me sing and hallelujah, Lord, hallelujah, hallelujah. Your love makes me sing and hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your love makes me sing and hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your love makes me sing. Lord, you make me sing.
Well, made it to the top of the mountain, as you can see.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why.
I can't focus on you right now.
It's not a question but a
Crazy.
lesson
You keep on
learned
going.
in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth.
This is what we call a good old-fashioned game of leapfrog.
The end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.